Alright guys, I'm going to run this for Brian here. He's running it for his buddy. We got 13 spots at 10. We got the mini sausage set from 03. We are going to type live. We are going to go live at 7:25 p.m. Thursday, January 25th. We will check timestamp. There you are, January 25th, 7:25 p.m. We are going to grab the list. Thirteen spots at 10. Alright, we have 13 entries. We're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 6. We're going 6 times. Good luck. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 times. Dice shows a 6. Next click wins. Good luck. And 6. Congrats to Alan. Spot number 2. You are the winner. Get in touch with Brian, and he will work out with his buddy to get you your bobbleheads. We are done 7:26 p.m. We will go back and we'll type done. We are done 7:26 p.m. We'll go back 7:26 p.m. Here's the verification code and the timestamp.